Hey guys, in this video we're going to work with the distributive property and factoring out. So remember, the distributive property is when the number on the outside is being multiplied by the two numbers on the inside. So I always draw the little lines from the number on the outside to the number on the inside. So 5 times k is going to be 5k. 5 times 4 is going to give me 20. So my distributed answer is 5k plus 20. So for the next one, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to multiply the 2 by both parts. So 2 times 2 is going to be 4, and then make sure you have your variable, so 4c, and 2 times 4 is 8b. The next one, we're going to distribute the a. So 3 times a is going to be 3a, and then 3 times 7b is going to be plus 7ba. Because, remember, when they're next to each other, that means multiply. So you're multiplying 7 times b times a. This one, we're going to multiply the 4 times the two parts. So 4 times 3 is 12y, and then 4 times 4 is 16. I'm going to make that 6 a little neater. Here we're going to do the w times both parts. So it's going to be 2w times 4w. 4 times 2 is 8, and then remember, w times w is going to be w squared. So it's going to be 8w squared, and then 2 times 3 is 6, and then we only have it times 1w. Okay, so 8w squared plus 6w. So here we're going to distribute, we're going to hand out the tickets, and then we're going to train it up and combine. So we're going to distribute the 2. Remember, anything right outside the parentheses means to multiply. So 2 times 4 is 8y. 2 times 2w is going to be 4w. And then we're going to bring the other things down. These don't get multiplied by 2 because they're not in the parentheses. And now we train it up. And 8y plus 6y gives me 14y, and then 4 plus 4 gets me 8w. Here we're going to distribute the 3, so the 6 is going to come down, so plus 6x, and then 3 times 8 gets me 24, and then we're going to train it up and combine like terms. Here, let me change back to white. And then 6x is going to stay the same, and then 24 plus 6 is 30. And distribute the 12, so 12w, and then 12 times 3 is going to give me plus 36e. Okay, so now we're going to go the other way, and we're going to factor out, meaning we're going to pull out the greatest common factor. So we're going to do our two T-charts for 12 and 14. 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4, 1 and 14, 2 and 7. So the greatest common factor is 2, so that gets pulled out. And then remember, you use the other factor that's left. So that's going to be 6x, don't forget the x, times 7. So here, double check it. 6 times 2 is 12x, that worked. And then 2 times 7 is 14. Here we go, 36, 24, 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 3 and 12, 4 and 9, 6 and 6, 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. So our greatest common factor, notice, is 12. Yes, 6 is there. Yes, 4. Yes, 3. Yes, 2. The greatest common factor is 12. So 12 gets pulled out on the outside. Remember your other factors. So then it's going to be 3m on the inside and 2n. Always double check. 12 times 3 is 36m. And then 12 times 2n is 24n. 16 and 40, 1 and 16, 2 and 8, 4 and 4, 1 and 40, 2 and 20, 4 and 10, 5 and 8, and our GCF is 8. 8 on the outside, 2x plus 5y. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 5 is 40. 32, 28, 1 and 32. 2 and 16. 3 doesn't work. 4 and 8. 5 doesn't work. 6 doesn't work. 1 and 28. 2 and 14. 4 and 6. No. 6. 4 and 7. Okay, so our GCF is 4. 4 comes on the outside. 8C plus 7. 8 times 4 gets us 32. 4 times 7 gets us 28. And don't forget the C. Here we go. 6 and 12. 1 and 6. 2 and 3. For 12 is 1 and 12. 2 and 6. 3 and 4. Our GCF is 3. So, ooh, no, it's 6. Watch, that greatest common factor. Don't mess up like I just did. So 6 comes out, and then it's 1C or just C. You can put the 1 if you want, and then plus 2. We can always double check it.